Okay people, let's do question number 3. It says length of the side is 6.2 centimeter and the measure of two angles adjacent to the sides are 50 and 75 degree. So one sides and two angles, so there's nothing to worry. So since one side is given to us 6.2 centimeter, I have a sample of 6.2 centimeter ready, and I'll draw a long line segment AX, and from AX I'll cut off AB, which is 6.2 centimeter. And just like my question says, the angles are 50 degree and 75 degree. So what you all can do is, from A, again like the previous diagram, from A you can draw 75 degree, and from B you'll draw 55 degree. So let's draw the diagram. I've already taught you how to draw 75 degree, so let's draw 75 degree first. So people, my 90 degrees ready, so now let's draw 75 degree. And show the measurement. Yes, it's visible in the camera. Okay, so make a point where the two arcs meet. So this is the point. So always use a sharp pencil. I have to use a pen because I need to make everything really bold enough for viewers to watch. So that's the reason why I'm using pen. Never use a pen, always use a sharp pencil. So I've got my angle as 75 degree. And let's go back to the question. It says the two angles adjacent are 50 degree and 75 degree. So I can draw 50 degree from here or 75. So I've already drawn 75 degree from here. So from B I need to draw 50 degree. So let's just use a protractor and draw 50 degree. Can you all see? Now see, if I draw 50 degree from here, you'll never get a triangle. So use your brain. Come this side. Yes. Finally, you can extend this in order to get the triangle. Be very, very precise. Yes. So this is my point C. So what will be your first step? So here now you need to modify a step. You cannot write a triangle with given sides. So you will write a triangle with given angles and sides is drawn. So you just need to use your brain. So let's go to second step. Angle bisectors are drawn which meets at the point O. So let's draw angle bisectors of any two angles. Let's draw angle bisectors of angle A and angle B. Okay, let's draw angle bisector of B. Any measurement? Okay, it's visible in the camera, yes. Great. Give me a minute. Always make a point out here so that you get really accurate diagram. Yes, it's visible. Great. Great. So we have the angle bisectors of angle B. So I need to be very, very precise with the points and all, or else I won't get an exact incircle. Okay, now let's draw angle bisectors of angle A. I've already drawn angle bisectors of B. Now let's draw angle bisectors of A. Let's take a little bigger measurement. Okay, it's fine. So now you might get confused, so do mention this or do make a dot so that we don't get confused. Give me a minute, let the page be straight. Yes. Okay. This was the arc, first arc, this is the second arc, this one. So this is the point. If you're confused, rewind the video and check. You all know how to draw angle bisectors, so I don't need to keep on mentioning it. So the meeting point is O. Now let's go back to our steps. What does the step say? from O, perpendicular to the side AB is drawn, which intersects AB at the point D. So from O, let's draw a perpendicular line. Okay, a little more than that line. I've already showed you when I started this diagram. So this was really big, it should not be so big. Yes, you can from somewhere out here. Okay, so I got the meeting point of two arcs. Let's be very precise and join it. Okay, fine, I got my D. Now with OD as in radius or circum, and incircle is drawn. Let's measure OD. Okay, we need to be very, very precise. So the measurement, yes. Let's draw an incircle. Yes, it looks correct that side. Yes, somewhat correct that side. Yes, almost. Look here. Touching this side, almost touch this side, almost. So this is how we draw an incircle. So you all know the steps. Again, just draw two angle bisectors and draw one perpendicular. That's it. Draw two angle bisectors and draw one perpendicular. So let's measure. Let's see how much is our OD. So it is roughly 1.8, I believe. Therefore OD equals to 1.8 centimeter approx. You all can give me your measurement. We could compare that. Thank you, people. Okay, now question number 4, 5 and 6. I've already discussed on how to draw those kind of triangles. I believe question number 4 and 5 is a right angle triangle. I've taught you how to draw. If hypotenuse is given, what should you draw? And if it says angle containing right angle, what you should draw. So I've already taught you. And question number 6 also, I've already taught you how to draw the triangle. So I'm not going to teach this. You need to draw it yourself. So let's do the last one. Let's go to question number 7. So a triangle is an isosceles triangle having the 10 centimeter length of the base, and each of equal angle is 45 degrees. So let's try to understand an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. It also means two angles are equal. So out here, one base is given to us as 10 centimeters. So I have a sample of 10 centimeter. You all can see I have a sample of 10 centimeter. And I've taken a long line segment of AX from which I've cut off AB as 10 centimeter. Now let's focus on the question one more time. It says each of equal angle is 45 degrees. So by now you all know how to draw 45 degrees. So I'll expect you all to be an expert in drawing a 45 degree. So from angle A, I will draw 45 degree. It's an isosceles triangle. So if this angle is 45 degree, so from here also it is 45 degree. So drawing from this side is not a concern for you all. So I'll just show it to you all from side B, how to draw an angle of 45 degree. We follow the same old procedure. First, let's draw 90 degree. Okay, it's captured in the camera. You all know how to draw 90 degree. Yes. Okay, we have our 90 degree. So make sure your 90 degrees in dots, because our prime angle is 45 degree, not 90. So make sure your compass has not moved, and I'm able to show it to you all in the camera. Let me just take this measurement. I know my... Okay, wait, give me a few seconds while I show it to you all. So you can measure this one. It's not accurate. Let's make it accurate. I hope everyone can see this. Yes, from here. So let's make an angle of 45 degree. Never hold your compass the way I'm holding. You should always hold here. Okay. Okay, let's draw 45 degree and check whether we've got 45 degree or not. Yes, between 40 and 50, perfectly 45 degree. So one side was given and then it was an isosceles triangle whose equal angles were 45. I draw 45 degree angle here, I draw 45 degree angle here. So let's mention 45 degree, 45 degree. So again, so what will be our first step? Our first step will be, you all know it. Now a triangle with given angles and sides is drawn. Bas. Let's go to step 2. Angle bisectors are drawn which meets at the point O. So by now I think you all know how to draw angle bisectors. Now I need to bisect this angle. Can you see angle B? This is my angle B. I need to bisect angle B. So let's bisect angle B. Let's take any measurement. Hope you all can see. Yes, any measurement. Always put a point so that your diagram is really accurate. I'm bisecting angle B. I hope I'm able to show it to you in the camera. Yes, good. Okay, I bisected angle B. It's really difficult, I'm telling you. I've told you, I think many times, showing everything under the camera because the camera is right in top of my head. So I bisected angle B. Let's bisect angle A. Okay, take any measurement. No issues with whatever measurement. Again, I've told you this is the wrong way of holding your compass. Okay. Yes, bisected angle A. Always mention it with a dot so that you don't get confused. So this is my angle bisector of angle A. Okay, so they meet each other at the point O. Always use a sharp pencil. This is really blurred. This will get things wrong. Okay. What does this step say? Angle bisectors are drawn which meets at the point O. Now let's go to step 3. It says from O, perpendicular to the side AB is drawn which intersects AB at the point D. So from O we need to draw perpendicular line to the side AB. So again, be very precise. Yes, a little more than the line. Everyone can see. A little more than the line. I can take this much also, it's not an issue. It's more than the line, a little more than the line. Yes. I hope it's captured in the camera. So it's meeting here, it's meeting here. Your compass must not move. Be very precise. Your compass moves, it's wrong. Okay, make an let's try it from the other side using my right hand. I also don't know whether I was able to show it to you all or not. I took this measurement, with the same measurement I made an arc here. I think I'm able to show it to you all. The reason why I'm using left hand is so that I can show it to you all. I'll intersect this arc. Yes. Should be very precise with the points. Yes, from O, perpendicular to the side AB is drawn which intersects AB at the point D. Now with OD as radius, an incircle is drawn. So guys, measure OD. Be very precise with the OD. So with OD as radius, an incircle is drawn. Almost, yes. Almost. I hope, make sure my compass doesn't move. As you all can see, I've almost got a really perfect incircle. Yes, finally a perfect incircle. So this is how we draw an incircle. Very simple steps, I'm telling you. Angle bisectors of two angles and draw perpendicular from O to this side. You'll get your OD. So let's measure OD. Okay, my measurement of OD is roughly 2 centimeters. So OD equals to 2 centimeter approx. Okay. So let's go to the last diagram. It says, check the question properly. It says there is an equilateral triangle and we need to draw a circumcircle and incircle. Both. So draw an equilateral triangle of 7 centimeter length. You all know how to draw. And then draw a circumcircle. And then draw another equilateral triangle of 7 centimeter and draw an incircle. Or else in the same diagram things might look really messy and confusing. If in the same diagram you can draw a circumcircle, means from outside, and incircle, that's okay. But if you cannot draw, then what you could do is draw equilateral triangle of 7 centimeter. Firstly draw a circumcircle to it. Secondly you draw an incircle to it. Okay. Thank you people. So I'll expect you all to do all the remaining questions as you